Why do some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others stay stuck, no matter how hard they try? What if the secret isn't luck or talent, but something you already have inside your mind? It's called the law of belief. And it says your beliefs shape your reality. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you how this powerful principle, how it works, why it's holding you back or pushing you forward. And I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to use in hopes of transforming your life. So stick with me. This could be something that is like a game changer. Hello, everybody. I'm Crypto Billy, and you're listening to Billy Go Tales, part of our Motivational Mindset Series. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is this law of belief? Well, in simple terms, it's the idea that whatever you deeply believe to be true about yourself and the world becomes your reality. Your beliefs are like a lens. They filter how you see opportunities, challenges, and even yourself. If you believe that you are capable, you'll act with confidence. If you believe you're doomed to fail, you're probably going to sabotage yourself without even realizing it. This isn't just a feel good idea, it's rooted in psychology. Thinkers like William James and Napoleon Hill, who wrote Think and Grow Rich, said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. You've heard that saying. Your subconscious mind takes your beliefs as instructions and works to make them real. It's like programming a GPS. Your beliefs set the destination and your actions follow the route. Here's a real quick example. Imagine 2 people applying for the same job. One believes, I'm qualified and I deserve this. They prepare thoroughly and shine in the interview, do just very well in the interview. The other thinks, I'm not good enough. They stumble, they doubt themselves, and miss the opportunity. Same situation, different beliefs, different outcomes. That's the law of belief in action. Now, let's see how the law of belief plays out in your everyday life. Your beliefs are shaping everything: your career, your relationship, even your happiness. And here are 3 ways that this happens. Number 1, beliefs drive your actions. Your beliefs are like an internal script. If you believe I'm bad at public speaking, you're going to avoid presentations of all kinds, or you're going to freeze up when you try. But if you believe I can get better with practice, you'll seek opportunities to practice and to improve, and over time you will shine. It's all about that belief, that mindset. Psychology calls this a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your beliefs create the results that prove them right. Number 2, beliefs filter reality. Ever notice how 2 people can experience the same event so differently? Let's say you fail a test. If you believe failure means I'm not smart, you might give up. But if you believe failure is just a chance to learn, you study harder and you bounce back. Your beliefs decide whether you see obstacles or opportunities. Personally, I view failures as an opportunity to get better, to get stronger. And that belief helps me win. Number 3, Beliefs are programmable. And here's the good news. You're not stuck with your beliefs. They're often formed by past experiences that happened to you in your life, like a teacher saying you're not creative or a parent praising you on the other side for your effort. But you can rewrite all of that. For example, I used to believe that I was not very good at networking. It made me not really want to go to events. Then I started to tell myself, I can connect with anybody. I can connect with people authentically. So I practiced. And now I actually enjoy networking. That is the law of belief. It changed my mind, and it can change your mind, and it can change your life. So, how do you use the law of belief to create the life that you want? Well, here are 3 practical steps that you can start with today. Number 1, identify your limiting beliefs. Take a moment to reflect. What do you believe about yourself that's holding you back? Maybe it's, I'm not good enough with money, or I don't deserve love. Write these down. Awareness is the first step. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Where did it come from? Often you'll find that it's just a story you've been telling yourself over and over, and you won't even remember the Genesis story. Maybe you will, but challenge it. Do some self-reflecting. Get to the bottom of your beliefs and challenge the negative beliefs. Number 2, replace any negative beliefs with empowering beliefs. Once that you've spotted a limiting belief, swap it for an empowering one. For example, change I'm not good enough to I am capable of learning and growing. Say that in your mind. A lot of this, guys, goes on in your head. You're talking to yourself. Those are your beliefs. You're talking to yourself. So don't accept negative belief statements. Change them into positive belief statements. Say, I am capable of learning and growing. Use affirmations to reinforce this. Say it out loud daily. Write it down. Write it in your journal or stick it on your mirror. Just put a note right up on your mirror. Pair it with some type of visualization, like picture yourself succeeding. Your subconscious loves repetition, so be consistent. And number 3, act as if it's true. Beliefs alone, they just aren't enough. You need to back them up with action. If you're adopting the belief that I'm a confident leader, let's say, start acting like one. Speak up in meetings. Take on small leadership roles and watch your confidence grow. Actions reinforce beliefs, creating this positive feedback loop in your brain. When you have that positive feedback loop in your brain, things start happening. There was a psychologist, Bandura, Bandura, very well-known guy. He showed that small wins build self-confidence, making your new beliefs much, much stronger. So these small wins build and make your good positive beliefs stronger and stronger. But guess what? Can work with negative beliefs too. So you got to be careful. Positive affirmations. So pick one area of your life, like say fitness or say a career, and set a new belief. Like I can get stronger if it's fitness, or I deserve that promotion if it's the career. Act on it for 30 days and see what happens. The law of belief is your superpower. Your mind is shaping your reality right now. So why not choose beliefs that lift you up? You're not stuck. You can rewrite the script. You can reprogram your mind and create a life that you love. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your world changes. So, what's one limiting belief that you're ready to let go of? And what empowering belief will you replace it with? Drop it in the comments. I would absolutely love to see this and cheer you on, guys. So if this video sparked something in you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, share it out, guys. I really I love doing these motivational mindset series. Get you thinking about things, get you thinking about your life, hopefully help transform you into the person that you want to be. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Love you guys.